In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with CAD blocks, which consist of writing the blocks and saving them as individual files. Let's get started. Sometimes you can download single CAD blocks and work with them right out of the box. However, much of the time, CAD blocks will be downloaded as sheets. In other words, a CAD file with hundreds of CAD blocks drawn on it. I have one of these sheets open on my screen. As you see, there are about 40 or more water closets for me to choose from. To separate these blocks from the file that I downloaded earlier, I must write them as blocks and save them as individual DWG files. To write CAD blocks as DWG files that I can use in other drawings, I first navigate to the Insert ribbon by clicking the Insert tab. On the ribbon, I click on the Write Block Create Block command in the Block Definitions panel. The default for this command is Create Block. So you'll have to click on the pull-down arrow to reveal and click on Write Block. The Write dialog box appears on the screen, and first you'll choose the radial button next to the word Object inside of the source cell. Then mouse down to the base point cell and click on the icon next to Pick Point. You can pick a point anywhere on your screen to establish the block's base point, but preferably somewhere near or on the water closet you wish to write. I'll choose the upper left corner of the object as the base point. Next, mouse to the Select Objects cell and click on the icon next to the words Select Object. Here, you simply click on the object and push the Enter key on your keyboard, which takes you back to the Write dialog box. Also, in the Select Objects cell, click the radial button next to the words Convert to Block. Next, mouse down to the Destination cell and you'll see the file name and path bar. To the far right of the file name and path bar, click on the small square button to bring up your File Explorer. From here, select the folder that you would like the CAD block to be stored in. Hopefully, you have set up a folder for storing your CAD blocks. In the file name box, type in the desired name for the new block and click Save. Back in the Write dialog box, below the file name and path bar, it asks for Insert Units. Just leave it set to millimeters and click the OK button. You have just written your first block. The process is the same for blocks that you create on your own. Now, switch back to your home design. Click on the Insert tab if it is not already active. On the far left bottom of the ribbon, click on the Insert icon, then on More Options. In the Insert dialog box, to the right of the File Name bar, click the Browse button. Find your CAD Blocks folder. Open it, find the water closet or whatever it was that you just saved and click Open. In the insertion point, make sure that the checkbox next to Specify on Screen is checked. In the Scale cell, make sure that Specify on Screen is not checked. In the Rotation cell, you can choose to check the Specify on Screen or not. This will allow you to rotate the object as you are placing it. I usually leave it off. Everything else stays the same. Now click OK and place your water closet wherever you need it.